Okay, 8th graders, this is what we're going to be doing as far as making a survey or a Google form. Okay, this is what it's going to look like as you're working on it. You have the different sections for the questions. When we first start working in this, at the form setting, you can make sure that none of these are checked off. That will be okay. And each one here is a different question. I'm going to show you what it's going to look like when it's finished by clicking on the View Live form. And this is what it would look like if somebody was actually taking the survey. You're going to change this right here to be your teacher that you're working with, their name, and then bookmark gifts. And then you're going to have the student's full name, student's name that they go by at school or home if they want to go by a nickname. This part right here is the select the teacher name. That way the teacher can go down and select their own name really quickly from the chart. And all of these are required questions, as you can see here. And student color choice. Here's a picture of the different colors. We have the neon yellow, green, red, orange, pink, purple, and blue. It's more of a lighter color blue, but it is a blue. And again, this is a drop-down menu as well. Okay. Once the teacher is able to finish that, she can hit submit, and then she'll be able to take care of the second child and third and fourth until she finishes her class. Now what I would like for you to know is how to make this. So you're going to go to your Google Drive, click on New, and then you're going to go to More and go to Google Forms. Okay. When it first comes up here, it will automatically have this as a required Lorena ISD login to view this form. It's not necessary since we're just sending it to this one teacher, and it's not going to be on the link or anything, so we're just going to share it directly with that one teacher. So we can click OK. The untitled form up here, you're going to go here first, and I want you to click on it and type your teacher's name. Say, for instance, you had Miss Channon, Channon. Bookmark gifts. Okay, and click OK. It automatically starts with just one question. So what we're going to do is the title, question title is going to be Students Full Name. And make sure I delete everything else on this line. You'll notice that I capitalized all of them. It's a kind of a title, so that would be okay. This type of question is not going to be a multiple choice question. It's just going to be a text box. It gives us a little bitty line to write that in, and we do want this to be a required one. We're not going to click Done yet because we're going to add another question. So we're going to add this question is also going to be a text box, so we can go ahead and identify that. The next question or question title is going to be Students Name that they go by at school and or home, nickname if they need to. Okay. Again, it's going to be a little text box, so we've already selected that, and again it's a required question. We're going to add another item, and this one again is going to be, instead of being a text box, I'm going to make it a choose from a list. Okay. So in this choose from a list, we're going to say select teacher's name. This is where it's going to come in. You're going to have to look at the teacher's name that I shared with you on the document. If y'all want to print one copy out and kind of share it, that is fine. But we're going to have, and here are the following teachers. Okay, the teachers are going to be listed on the document that I shared with you, but I can type them in real quick here. We have Channon, we have Niemeyer, Niemeyer. Please make sure that you're spelling these teachers' names appropriately. I'm sure they'll appreciate it. On Miss Sakura's, there is actually two Sakuras, so we're going to go ahead and do her, the first names on these, and so the second one will be Sakura, and it's Jennifer. Okay, all the other ones is not necessary to write the first name, but on this case, since we have two Sikoras, it's necessary. You're going to make sure you type in all of these all the way until you get to the 18. Okay, there are 18 different teachers. This is going to be a required question, and then we're going to add another item. On this next item, we're going to select the student's color choice. And I've done it two different ways. I've done it with it being all capitalized. I've done it with lowercase, kind of as a phrase. Student color choice. This one we're also going to pick from a list. And on this one, I'm going to insert a picture. And in order to do the picture, let's see, it's not going to be a question type, it's not going to be a date, it's going to be a choose from a list. And we have the colors are yellow, neon yellow. Let's go ahead and write neon yellow. Green, red, orange, blue, pink, and purple. We are going to insert here an image, and I've shared this image with you. I just have to remember what it's called. I'm going to go to my Google Drive and search for it. I put it in my 2014-2015, and here's my bookmark color choice. This is shared with you, so it will be also in your drive. But I want to select it, and it's right there for us. Now, this is really big, so I'm going to go ahead and resize it and make it small. As long as I can see the different colors, that's the main thing. Let's make it a little bit shorter. And on this one, for some reason, there's no really need to do the image title, I don't think. Let's see what it looks like. Let's go to View Live Form, and let's see how it looks. Okay, we have the student's full name, the student's name that they like to go by at school and or home. So this would be the nickname if they so choose. Select the teacher's name. It's a drop-down box. There's going to be more listed here. There's going to be a total of 18 of them. That way they can go to their name real quick and click on it. And then student color choice. Again, the picture is here. All they have to do is select it and go from there. Once they finish selecting them all, then they're going to hit submit. So this one looks pretty good. I'm going to go back to the working one here. And at this point in time, I'm ready to, I don't need to add any more items. We do want to show the link to submit another response because each teacher is going to do this several times for each of her students. So at the end, you definitely want to make sure that this is checked off here. After that is complete, you're going to hit send form. And when you do that, you can share link via, let's go ahead and do Google Plus. Or let's try a different way here. Let's go ahead and send form via email. And you're going to type in this teacher's name right here. So if it's Shannon that you have, you're going to start typing her name. Make sure that it comes up. Make sure you're clicking on that teacher's name, not anybody else. You want to include it, a form in the email, and you can send yourself a copy if you want to. If not, you can just hit send. This took me about 10 minutes to take care of. I understand that you're going to be listening to the video and then you're going to be doing it yourself. Even if it takes you 15 minutes to do it yourself and send it out, the other 10 minutes to watch the video, if you had gotten started when you needed to, this should have been sent out to your teacher by the end of the class period on Tuesday. Please make sure it's done because they're looking for it and they're needing this time to go ahead and get talking with their students. So make me proud and do it right. Take care of business. Thank y'all.